Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already imported a video that we will use in this tutorial. Let's add the video to the timeline and then duplicate the video by doing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Now select the video that we have duplicated, go to Remove BG and do Auto Removal. Wait for some time. Capcut will process and it depends on your video length.
1 hour later.
All right, so we have removed the background of the video, but you can't see any difference right now. But wait a minute. Go to text and add the text in between both the layers. Now add the fonts, change the color of the text if you want, and adjust the position and size of the text. You can also add animation to the text if you want. That's how you can add text behind a person in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to know how to zoom in Capcut PC, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.
I know you told your friends